Okay, it's the morning of the big adventure. So we're gonna hook her on up to the truck and head out this morning. It's beautiful here in Florida, beautiful morning. And I've got the proven locks lock, anti-theft lock on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. And get her on, hooked up to the truck. All right, I got the stabilizers up. I'm gonna take those chocks off last because they're kind of underneath the tire, so I'm gonna go ahead and back up the trailer once I get it all hooked up and then take the chocks out. So I got it all lined up and I'm about ready to take down the jack. Got this button up here. Got this button up here, bringing it on down. Alright, next, so I brought down the jack and I got the hitch locked. Then I got a sway bar on this side. So you just put it in there and you swing it around and you lock it right here. So I got this side done. Moving on to the next side. Sway bar is locked and loaded. Next I'm going to bring up this jack and take out those blocks and take out these chocks. Alright, here we go. Alright, chains are locked, lights are loaded, sway bars are in place, jacks up, all jacks are up. Just need to get those chocks out and we are going to be ready to head. Got my door open there, but we're about ready to hit the road. Long adventure coming right up. Woohoo! All packed up and ready to go. Let's do this. First major stop is Ormond Beach. First major stop. So we parked the trailer and we're gonna eat us some sandwiches, walk this beach, and get the show on the road again. All right, eating our first meal in free spirit. We made a sandwich, stopped, and instead of eating out, we got our food in the refrigerator and the cooler in the truck. Let's see. So, heck yeah, to the first meal. Beautiful, beautiful Ormond Beach. Woo! And best friend. It's a storm coming in, but just amazing. And look at this sand. It's like this orangey tan color. And then the water is this green, clear, beautiful color. Down the street from Flagler and Ormond, so it's like in between. So we just hit our first rainstorm through Ormond Beach. After our sandwiches, we were gonna run out. We got in our bathing suits, we were gonna run out on the beach and go swimming, but this happened. So now we're driving. We're driving until the rain goes away. Hey, we might be in the rain and go swimming, who knows? It's whatever on this trip, guys. Okay, so we are at Anastasia State Park in Florida, outside of St. Augustine. We were driving down the A1A and we're like, I wonder where we can find. So we just stopped at the next park that we can find, which is Anastasia State Park, and lo and behold, they had a spot. So check out what we got. All right, let's see it. Woo! All right, so let's see. Let's get to the front. There we go. All right, so this is our little spot. Nice little trees surrounding us. Cute little jungle looking spot. Nice trees around us. We got our water and our electrical setup. We got our surge protector here, and it's locked so no theft can happen. We got our water regulator, and this is the angle from the back. So awesome. So we are happy campers, so to speak. Alright, so update on the trip. We had to cancel a few days into the trip. We had an amazing few days though. We went up into like St. Augustine area, up into North Carolina, and we had a really great, amazing trip. So we're gonna try again maybe in the future, but until then, you can come with me on travel nurse contracts. I'm gonna take my trailer with me travel nursing, so hopefully you stay tuned for those videos here in the near future. And until then, I will see you soon.